Welcome to our RV maintenance video part 1, where we change the air filter and the hydraulic oil on our 2010 Tiffin Allegro bus.
It's our blessed adventure. It's our blessed adventure.
And then the last 3 are 815.
They are doing the checkup.
It's a Baldwin,
Pre-Alaska,
BF, and then it's
figuring out what all
got a
they need
space
to
815.
do.
I don't know if it's an 18, 15, or if it's something else.
Did a walk around on all the RVs to decide what they wanted. Ours was a long list. Glenn looks like his list. I'm not sure.
So his is that's the same as ours. So I'm sure the other one's probably.
The Greens have done their list.
Well, it's Christmas time in the maintenance world here. We've got all kinds of boxes that have arrived today. So we're going to try to get some maintenance done. This is our crankcase sensor, our crankcase filter. This is our regular air filter. These are fluids to do the hydraulic. This is hydraulic. And this is trans in for the transmission. This box has all the other goodies in it. You got your generator, fuel filter, and oil filter. Got the desiccant filter. Got a main belt. We have parts to do the hydraulics. There's the outer filter and the inner filter, and then there's the transmission filters. So, what do you think, honey?
I'm scared. I think I better come back here and help supervise.
Well, this is going to be a project day. So, we're all ready to get started. We got the crew out here with us. We're getting everything. Everybody had to go do a check at home real quick, and we're getting ready to start back here. We're getting ready to lower down the gate, get the cardboard laid out and everything laid out so we have 0 spills. And you can see I got my work clothes on, and we're gonna get her done.
This is the crew. We have a supervisory crew here too, having to rest their foot.
Gotta get this bracket off and this bracket off, get this loose, and get that all pulled out of there. So that's what we're working on now.
Color, huh?
Yep.
Small bungee cord.
Let's see. Do I have a small bungee? You have a small bungee cord? I do.
Maybe
I
I
put the
can
new
find
nipple
places
in here. That's just in case you get water in your filter. There's a little. It's just like the one on the bottom of your refrigerator thing.
Yeah.
It's just a little thing. So that's out. That's going back in. I wonder if that's called impatience. I don't know. It could be. I don't know. You never heard the little song, be patient, don't be in such a hurry, don't worry.
And if we've got a good aim, we got the old one.
Tell you what, they don't give you a whole lot of room. Hey, do me a favor. I need somebody could give me a little hand up here. Just reach over and kind of hold this thing up top. Yeah, just kind of hold it. Cause what I'm trying to do, I'm trying to twist it. I'm trying to twist it. I'm turning it where you're at, bringing your arm back. Right there. Awesome. You make a mess.
Get up.
See, we're not getting none of that on video because somebody was trying to be a little ratchet. You know what I'm saying? Yeah, I mean, somebody was just a little too impatient. A little impatient there. Now, back over here to the master's disaster, who's doing stuff over here.
It's fun. Somebody might as well just take it from me because it won't even drain out the hose.
What's going on?
I don't know, the hose, it won't even drain
Here,
out.
let me see the. Wow. It's probably got something in it.
Well, it shouldn't be. I mean, it's clear oil.
No, something's clogged it up. I got something's in here clogged it up. You got it, Gary.
Gary, we got it. Yeah, I didn't realize this thing had that thing inside of it.
You want me to hold that, David, if you got things to do?
I just need to get that bracket on the other
Oh,
side.
let me run a little rust there and go like this, huh?
That's good, Gary.
It kind of surprised me.
Appreciate that.
You get that on video?
He's running.
Said something positive. Found something positive in a negative light.
That was awesome. It's like chicken in a fish plate. I love this thing. Wow. There you go. Awesome. Now we should be able to get this one. Woo! Man.
That's crazy.
Woo! There you go. You got it. Oh, thank you, Lord.
Hey, won't he do it?
Yeah.
Oh, man.
See, and I thought that was gonna be, I started there like, I know how tough this is, and it's not messy, but it's tough.
Well, me and Glenn had a good plan here too. I mean, we both agreed. It just didn't work.
Just one little obstacle.
Yeah.
Well, it was the wrong funnel. It was spot on otherwise.
Yep.
And I wasn't going to do it anymore. I let Dale do the rest of the inside filter to see how that one works. But I got it pretty well cleaned up. It's just that thing got... Put this rag underneath it and take it out and just hand it to me. Yeah, it's not enough to worry about. It quit coming out of the hole, so it's probably just what was hung up in the filter. You know what I mean? But you can do that too. Like I said, when I did mine the first time, I completely cleaned it, knocked it out.
At this point of the process, you could either use paper towels or a clean odor rag that you had, or a shop towel to mop up the rest of the oil in the reservoir. Grab that egg. You might grab that bag over there. I'll put these right in this bag. Alright. Get this new filter in here. This end up. This end down in there.
It's with the writing on top. Yeah. Okay, there's the old one.
There's no real. It sits flat. Sit that in there. Get my spring in. Where's my spring at? Alright, thank you. Get my spring. Get my spring. Butterfly nut. Tighten that back down on there. That's weird how it seemed like it had way more pressure on it. Now it's not having the pressure. Wait a minute. Look on that filter. See if there's a washer where this butterfly nut sits down on top. I think we're missing something.
Oh,
Has to be a washer or something maybe.
supposed to be a little round one. But you know what, David? You never gave me one.
It was on top of the filter.
I don't think it is.
On top of the filter.
Sorry, it's right on top of the filter.
Looks like that one right there.
Hey, yeah, there's one on top of the filter.
I think it's on top of the
Just
filter.
like it.
See, you did never give me one with the spring in the neck.
Well, you know, good thing. You know, this is what really seriously. This is the good thing
Good
for
thing
people
you
that
followed.
don't know and
Yeah.
would not know.
Yeah.
You would just take that and just
See, now, that's what's so nice doing it yourself. Even a tech can forget this.
Yeah.
They're human, you know. They're
so
trying to
this
do
little
it fast.
thing sits right on top of the filter, and then your spring goes on top of there.
Friends will, I'm sure, have the same thing.
Now it's
Now it tightens up real
now
tight.
it's looking like it should look.
Thing with David's system now
So,
versus mine.
We got that all buttoned
Right
up,
on bottom.
and you can look down in there. New filter, empty reservoir,
Scolders gonna wanna be a little
and then
come out of that,
we're gonna.
come out of that
put that
housing over there
lid
for
back
that
on.
filter too.
All right. So, how do you know really how tight to put that spring? I guess.
Well, I put it totally tight pretty much. I mean, you know how it just not to go crazy. You don't.
Well, yeah, there's a stop. Okay, that's
Okay,
good.
yeah.
There is a stop, so you tighten it all the way down to the stop. See, good to know.
And then that other filter, there's going to be a little residual oil coming out of that housing and too,
I was gonna say,
a
so
little bit probably.
we should probably go ahead and pull that off
Yep.
before because we can just fill this back up with this open till a certain
Yep.
point,
Oh, yeah. Yep.
and then so we just pull that one
You
off.
can see it.
All right. So, as you seen, that was the main reservoir filter. This is your secondary hydraulic filter. So we're going to screw that one off. We're going to pre-fill it, screw it back on, and then we'll be ready to fill everything back up. All right. My military.
Military left.
My military left this time.
Military listen.
You see it coming in.
So, as you see, that's off right there. This is your gauge.
You got a little bit in there. You got the towel under there still.
Yep, towel's under there. So we're going to screw that back right on there.
Mine's got the new one filled, pre-filled.
Just
Like,
straight.
properly.
All right, see if you can spin it. I'll hold it.
That don't feel right, does it, Glenn, or is it?
Yeah, that's
It's
going.
turning.
There we go. I got it. There we go. I can come up and get it.
And that wrench you had worked okay?
Got it tightened. left hand tight, so that can't be over tightened. I got it tightened left hand. Snug. That's all we need her. Oil's going in. Wow.
Well, it's going to take half or more of this one, so you can probably put it up. You know how far that dipstick thing goes in there.
So at least go to the top of the filter,
Yeah.
and then see where we're at.
And we didn't put antifreeze in this filter over there, did we?
No. You haven't forgot that? You're never going to forget that, are you?
That's a personal joke. That
Wait till
I cannot, what did it say? I cannot,
wait till
what did they
Wait till
say?
I'm retired
See,
and
I cannot
apprentice one or
something or
two
deny.
make a mistake. Boy, I'm gonna
I
go
cannot,
after you guys with a vengeance.
I forget how it goes. That did happen previously.
Confirm or deny?
Oh yeah, I cannot confirm or deny if that did happen in a previous incident. With a previous
Won't
situation.
name any names. Don't overdo it there now.
I'm just putting it to the top of the filter. It's got to go at least to the top of the filter.
But it shouldn't take all of that.
That's to the top of the
Okay,
filter.
I'm gonna cap that up so we don't dump it over. Now, so you ain't gonna have a lot left having to do right to the bottom. That's good. The
All
more
right.
clean
He doesn't
juice,
look over there. or you
No.
did it?
Oh,
the more clean juice and snooze, the better.
yeah, let me see that. We'll give you a look inside. We got her filled up. Fluids up to the top of the filter. Clean oil. Now we're going to put the lid on and
Put the lid on, tighten her down, we're done.
cap her up.
That way is ever so slightly.
Dipstick right around to the front.
Yeah, I got mine a little off, but
Alright, so put that to where.
But see, like I've always told people, unless you have horribly deep pockets and you love parting with your money, at most places now are $150 an hour.
Well, you probably could.
You can do this and learn, and man, there's a lot of intrinsic reward doing it yourself, I think.
Boy, you're using those big high dollar words.
Knowing it's done right.
Intrinsic reward.
Oh, that's them college
That's that
educators.
college
guys.
education
Yeah, you guys
coming
are
out.
probably thinking, how did that dyslexic Finlander monkey get through college? My first wife did help me because I couldn't type or anything. But anyway,
So what you saying? You just got an honorary degree or what?
accidental.
Accidental degree.
Go the other way, maybe, huh?
Yeah,
With the ratchet.
Righty tighty.
righty tighty.
Oh, there's a little tree frog climbing up there to see what you're doing.
Oh yeah,
It
wait,
is, isn't it?
oh there he was coming
Oh,
right
he
up.
just went. Did he just go inside you?
He jumped over.
Too bad he didn't go over
Oh, I
there.
see.
Get out.
He was coming. He was gonna go
That's the
right
same
up.
one, isn't it?
He was
Yeah,
gonna
that's the
climb
same
right
one.
up your leg. That just tightens up till the clamp bottom's out. There you go.
Nothing to touch.
It's gonna take most of, if not all of what you have left, but don't overdo it. Check the cold mark, of course. Is that gonna work? I think that funnel you might have to hold it a little to be safe. But
I didn't have to get a little more. Yep, we're gonna have to add a little more.
yeah,
Just
those
just
things
below the
come handy.
just below the add line.
It's our blessed adventure. It's our blessed adventure.
I know this turned out to be a very long video, but maintenance is something that's very important to keep your vehicle up running smoothly. So if you like the video, please give us a thumbs up, share it with your friends. Also, if you have not subscribed, push that subscribe button. And like we always say, thank you for following along for Noel's Blessed Adventures.